How to add your own music or sound to TikTok. So if you want to add your own music or sound to your TikTok, then first there are two ways. The first one is you can open up your CapCut. Once you open up your CapCut, you can simply go with your templates or go with a new project, tap on new project, and you can choose a video from your gallery that has its own sound. Or you can simply choose a video and tap on add, which is on the bottom right. Once you tap on add, now you can simply go with the audio option, which is on the bottom left. And after that, you will have the sounds or brand music or everything. So you can simply choose the first option and then you can add your recommended or your saved audios. So you can simply choose any favorite audios or saved ones, or from TikTok, you can link your TikTok account to your CapCut and then you can add your own sound or own music. And you can also go with the extracted one from your device, or you can go with the right side, which has that device option. And from here, you can simply choose any audio clips that you want. So once you've selected that, you can simply go with export, which is on the upper right, and save the video. Once you've saved your video, you can go with your TikTok, open it up, and you can upload the video that you've just exported from your CapCut. So that's how you can add your own music or sound to TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.